हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ वीकेंड आउट। माय नेम इज गौरव। नाम तो सुना होगा। देखिए, दुनिया में ऐसे दो ही सवाल अब रह गए जिसका जवाब किसी को नहीं मिला है। पहला सवाल तो ये है कि हु केम फर्स्ट, द चिकन और द एग। इसका जवाब किसी को नहीं मिला, तो हमने दोनों खा लिया, चिकन भी खा लिया, एग भी खा लिया। और दूसरा सवाल ये है कि व्हाई आर डायमंड्स अ वुमन्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड। इसका जवाब भी किसी को नहीं मिला, लेकिन फ्रेंड्स एंड डायमंड्स के बीच में क्या रिश्ता है ये मैं आपको बता सकता हूं। माना यह जाता है कि अप्रोक्सीमेटली 250 टन्स ऑफ अर्थ हैज टू बी डग आउट टू रियली फाइंड डायमंड्स। अब एक अच्छा दोस्त ढूंढने के लिए भी आपको उतनी मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है। ट्रू फ्रेंड्स आर प्राइसलेस एंड सो आर डायमंड्स। एंड अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि गौरव इतनी डीप बातें क्यों कर रहा है, तो आई थिंक दिस विल बी द थर्ड सवाल जिसका जवाब किसी के पास नहीं। सो वील लीव माई डीप बातें असाइड एंड वील डू मुद्दे की बात। मुद्दे की बात यह है कि दुबई में लॉन्च हुए देवी जूल्स एंड वी वर देयर टू कवर द लॉन्च।
Devi Jewels, a leading luxury diamond jewelry retailer, recently opened its doors at Dubai's commercial and cultural hub, the Dubai International Financial Center.
Devi Jewels was established in 2008, and the prime objective at that point of time was trading. That it will be in 21-22 karat gold, bangles, ornaments, and we also had certified stones, loose stones, and bit of bullion market as well.
Devi Jewels is a pioneering concept in fine jewelry retailing, bringing exquisite and one-of-a-kind designer collections by world-renowned designers to the UAE.
The only way to be different, I felt, was to have a platform to be created, which I found a gap as well, where could a designer could come, showcase their name, be known in the Middle East, starting with Dubai. And inshallah, if the products are well received, of course the customer will come again asking for the same product down the line to us, and we would know that okay, this line did work.
The launch saw the opening of a fine jewelry exhibition by India's largest and oldest jewelers named Jewels Emporium, which showcased its most exclusive jewelry collection called Master Strokes.
I work with my heart, I don't work with my mind. And it just came like that, master strokes. Every piece was a piece of art. Every piece was different from the other. They all have a little bit of me into the piece.
The collection is traditional and modern, bold and delicate, all at the same time. The pieces are masterfully crafted and are rare in both their design and technique of making.
I create. I don't even think what's happening around. I never go and see anybody else's jewelry. My design team, myself, we would not see any jewelry because it certainly, hits onto you and you start kind of copying them.
At Devi Jewels, they understand the fundamental nature of the diamond, how it magnifies purity, how it radiates light in a way nothing else can, and how every facet embodies the spirit of those that wear it.
Now, ये स्टोरी देखने के बाद आई एम श्योर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर ऑलरेडी ड्रीमिंग अबाउट देयर नेक्स्ट डायमंड परचेज। आपकी ये ड्रीम्स तो मैं साकार नहीं कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन अगर आप सिंगर हैं एंड अच्छे सिंगर हैं एंड आप ढूंढ रहे हैं अपने लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म, यही आपका इकलौता ड्रीम है जो अब तक साकार नहीं हुआ है, दिस कैन बी फुलफिल्ड विथ ड्रीम्स इटसेल्फ। नाउ ड्रीम्स हैज बिकम दैट प्लेटफॉर्म जहां पर कि राइजिंग लोकल एंड इंटरनेशनल टैलेंट को मौका दिया जाता है दुबई के अंदर। नाउ दे हेल्ड देयर 6th एडिशन जस्ट सम टाइम बैक एंड वी वर देयर टू कवर इट।
Desis really enjoy awesome music. Dreams is a platform which encourages local talent, solely driven by their passion for music, to get on stage and perform.
I am a banker by profession, and it has been great. I've been in the bank for more than 9 years now, and I really enjoy doing that. I met Anupam Nair through a concert which was happening for Farhan Akhtar in Hard Rock Cafe. That's how I met him, and we just got it into it, and he introduced me to this dream, which is a project which he's working on, and I'm really happy to be a part of it.
In its 6th edition now, Dreams had a lineup of some very entertaining performances. Hira Beat and Mustafa set the tone for the evening with their unique blend of beatboxing and guitar. Up next was a newly formed band, Where's the Funk, that really took up the energy levels by a notch. This band with their rendition of popular tracks.
Where is superstition? All of us are really into funk music, really. That's one of the building bases of our band. You know, that's where, you know, playing different genres of music like rock and, you know, pop and stuff. We came together for the love of funk. We just sort of formed this band. Music is our passion, and I think we have the talent. We believe that we have the talent to grow as musicians and to work collectively and work as a band.
And from India to be part of Dreams was the eclectic urban music outfit Bombay Basement.
As a band, Bombay Basement, we just have one word to explain it. It's happy music, because that's what Bombay Basement believes in. That's the kind of music that we always have been trying to create.
No matter what you want to do, I get that. Why you hating on my crew, I get that. We should do what we do, I get that.
It's really good to play outside the country, play to new audience, and taking our music international is probably the next step for us. So we're really excited to be here in Dubai.
Yeah! First it was an MC, counting on the heat. Then I had to drive a ball, blessing with the beat.
Anything you're going to put in music is something about life. Whether it's a struggle, whether it's happiness, whether it's fantasy, whatever it is, it's life.
School, they made the game.
तो ड्रीम्स में प्रोफेशनल सिंगर्स के साथ साथ ब्रेक मिलता है सेमी प्रोफेशनल एंड एमेच्योर सिंगर्स को एक लाइव ऑडियंस के सामने परफॉर्म करने का। लेकिन हमारे शो की खासियत यह है कि यहाँ पर सबको ब्रेक मिलता है। इट्स टाइम फॉर ब्रेक नाउ।